Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight ticket on Expedia. So first, of course, is head over to expedia.com, and right off the bat, you should be able to see a search bar or search filter. And from the search filter, switch from stays to flights. And now from here, just choose the type of flight you're trying to book, if it's round trip, one way, or multi-city. And of course, if it's economy, premium economy, business class, or first class. Next is select the location or airport you're coming from. And of course, the location or country or airport you're going to, and the dates of your departure and arrival. And of course, the number of travelers, how many adults, children, infants on lap, and infants in seat. Then you can also choose to add a place to stay. Then just click on search. So from the search results, select the date and time. And you can also see here the price list for each flight, including the airline that will handle the flight. So for our dates, we're just going to pick this flight, for example. So click on select. And of course, our returning flights, we're also going to pick one. Now here you can see your flight summary. Make sure that all the details, the schedule, the price, the time, the date are all correct. And of course the seats, and if you want to add bags. And once everything is good, you can now proceed with checkout. Just click on the checkout button. Then click on go to checkout once again. And now from here, of course, you're going to fill out traveler's information. Fill in the name, email address, phone number, passport, gender, and date of birth. And of course, how would you like to pay, if you're going to pay for your trip using your debit card or credit card. And just enter in your card details, and of course your billing address, and make sure that you finalize, review, and proceed in booking your flight or trip. Once everything is done, just click on complete booking. So once the payment is done, you should receive a confirmation from Expedia and also the finalized summary of your flight details. And all that's left to do is head over to your nearest airport and enjoy your flight. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!